How to block website on Chrome iPhone. If you're looking to block websites on Chrome, whether you're using iPhone, in today's video, I'll show you simple ways to block websites and keep your browsing safe. What you need to do is first go to your iPhone settings, down and tap on screen time. Next, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Turn them on by toggling the switch. Now, once enabled, tap content restrictions. Here you can choose limit adult websites to automatically block adult content, or you can tap on add website under the never allow section to manually block specific websites. Here you can tap on it, and you can also click on add website and simply enter the URL and simply click on never allow. And that's it. You've successfully blocked websites on Chrome.